Hello, hello. UPS delivered today a pink box with a drapery from Texas. And I believe then the drapery smell bad, because if it didn't smell bad, nobody's gonna send me the drapery. What can I do? So let me open it and I show it to you. Okay. Woo! Wow! Hello, good morning. Today I received this is coming from Mrs. Adina. She's in California, 91361. Woo! Wow, the smell. The smell is so strong. First you're telling me, because when I sneeze, I know it's a cat. And the smell, it's so strong, I swear.
Mr. Martin, the owner and inventor of PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaning, contacted me to do a professional voiceover for the review of Mrs. Meir Martin, and here is her review. We lease a beautifully appointed home in Southwest Florida every winter. This year, our 1-year-old house-trained puppy hiked his leg on a silk drapery panel in the dining room. Panicked, I Googled how to professionally clean the drape, both the scent and the stain. In reading all their positive reviews, I contacted PetPeePee. After they received my email, Thursday, via their website, I was contacted the same day by Martin. He explained the process. Bag the stained portion, put the drapery in a box, and he'll send a label for shipping. We shipped it to him on Thursday. He confirmed he received it on Friday and said it would be cleaned over the weekend. He sent a picture on Saturday, saying that the drape was clean, no stains. Another text told me it was on a UPS truck on Monday, with delivery on Tuesday. It's now only 5 days since the incident, and it's hanging in the dining room totally cleaned. No trace of Elroy's rude hiking of his leg. I highly recommend Martin's excellent service. Mr. Martin, owner of PetPeePee, diligently replied to the Google verified review. His reply is, "Thank you. I think this is one of the best reviews I've ever gotten. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate your business and warm review. Thank you, Meir Martin, the owner of PetPeePee, Drapery Oriental Rug Cleaning from Urine Odor."
My dog peed on the carpet.